Okay. We're dealing with arithmetic progressions, right? So the basics and all, can you identify arithmetic progression? Can you build an arithmetic progression if I give you the starting term and the common difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have formula for an and sn. Dono, like you have multiple formulas for that. Do all the formulas make sense? Like, is it easy for you to remember? Did you get the hang of it? Okay. मानसी बताओ an का formula क्या है?
It's a plus n minus 1 by d multiplied by d.
N minus 1 by d or what?
No, multiplied by d.
Multiplied by d, correct. N minus 1 into d. Okay. Dhruv, what is the formula for Sn?
Hello.
Dhruv? Yeah.
Formula for Sn, right? And bracket n plus 1 by 2.
No. Sn is general sum of n terms. Like that's why I asked you to write the variables and everything. नहीं तो ऐसा ही confusion आ जाएगा. That's not how you do it. Sn is sum of n terms. कोई भी like AP में suppose there are 11 terms in the AP, उन 11 terms का sum क्या होगा? Or if there's like 35 terms, then what is the sum of those 35?
Oh, n by 2 a plus n?
N by 2 into a plus
L.
L. Okay. So what is L here? Like यहाँ तक A and D we've been dealing with. What is L?
Last term.
That is the last term, correct. If last term is not given, then which formula will you use? Wait, I'll ask somebody else. Elena, which is the alternate formula? If I give you the starting term and the common difference, if I give you only A and D, फिर formula क्या होगा?
Ma'am, so over there we will use the formula n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Minus 1 into d. Absolutely right. Okay. Awesome. Like these basics, you guys are like, yeah, you remember abhi revise bhi kiya. Acha, before we go, Aditya, this thing that I pointed out, formula mein for SN.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was too small on the website. That's why I thought it was you.
हाँ, कहीं से copy कर लिया. So even if you're copying, no, do it from your textbook or the chapter notes or whatever notes you have taken from the class. Don't go to the internet because हम लोग यहाँ पे
No, ma'am.
use कर सकते हैं. They might be using something else.
Ma'am, no, not from the internet. I was on the web class notes one. I had kept my class notes hard copy somewhere else. That's why.
Acha. Okay.
The soft copy of my notes.
Okay. Okay. So that's why, like, I asked you to write what is A, what is AN, what is D,
Okay, ma'am.
SN. So if you had written all of this, tabhi it would have gotten clear because U is not something you will come across over here. Okay. Otherwise, they're just like alphabets, like blindly you can mug it up, like ratify, you can ratify it, but they need to make sense also, na? Like you need to know kaha kaise apply karna chahiye. So
Good afternoon, ma'am.
that's important. Hi Anirban. Yeah, your dad had messaged that you're returning from school, so तुम्हारा offline classes already चालू हो गए.
I'm sorry.
So your offline classes have already begun.
Yes, ma'am.
So how long has it been since you've come back? Did you have a chance to revise the formula, Anirban?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So take 15 minutes and revise it up. In the meantime, yeah, I'll just keep doing like basic questions. You can join in once you have written down the formula. Just do a quick revision of it, okay? Just know what is what. फॉर्मूला क्या है और कैसे यूज करना चाहिए, like know what is A, N, D, all these words that we are using. Okay. All right. So we'll start off with the questions. Before we get to questions, wait, Puneet, you asked about this one, right? Okay. So there was this formula that if you have three terms A, B, C, which are in AP, then A plus C by 2 will be equal to the middle term B. Okay. So how did we get this? Like, how is the
Average
mean?
concept.
Yeah, how do we get the average? So Puneet, it's pretty logical. So if A, B, C are in AP, it means that difference between A and B is equal to difference between B and C. And average ka concept ye hai ki, like, mean, whatever you're finding out over here, it means you're like getting the central term, which is nothing but B, because distance between A, B is equal to distance between B, C. Okay. So that's one way to look at it. You can also verify it mathematically. Kaise? So you have A, then B will be equal to A plus D, like if D is the common difference. And C will be equal to how much?
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D, like three of them are in AB, so AP, so like A plus D and another D is added here. So just put the values, you'll easily get it. A plus C will be equal to A plus 2D, which is 2A plus 2D, which is 2 times A plus D. So A plus C divided by 2 will be equal to A plus D, which is B. You can get it mathematically also. Okay, but this is one way of getting it, like logically, mean of these two will give you the center value. And because A, B, C are in AP, B happens to be exact center between A and C. So where say you can figure it out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clarified?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make sense? Or any?
Yeah. Yeah, I was confused if it was an EP or not. Yeah, got
They
understood.
need to be in AP, tabhi this will be true. It's not true for any three random numbers. Okay. Any other formula that you have a doubt in? There's another one. AN, you can also say, is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Have you understood how we get this formula also?
Ma'am, we haven't used this very much.
Haven't really used it. Okay. Good to know. Like, this is also very logical, but when we get to it, I'll show it. But if you're curious, we can discuss that. Okay. So we'll start off with some basic questions. So I'll start from level 1 only. Okay. So extremely this thing also I won't do. Actually do 5.1.2. So which of the following lists of numbers form an AP? And if they form an AP, write the next two terms. So chat pe bhej do. First tell me between A, B, C, D, which one forms an AP? Like just put A and B or A and C, like whatever it may be. So identify which of these four is an AP. Puneet has already sent. Okay, Dhruv. Okay. Again, this is not an MCQ, so 2-3 bhi ho sakte hai. Puneet, Neki, yes. Dhruv, check for all. हाँ, ठीक है. So Puneet, Dhruv and Neki have answered. बाकी लोग, Mansi, Elena. Elena has answered. Mansi and Neki and Aditya, 3 of you. Right, Mansi and Aditya have answered. Awesome. Okay, Nikki has also answered, right? Yeah. All right. Everybody has sent in. A and B are in AP, correct? So A के लिए write down the next two terms. So 22 के बाद, what are the two terms that come in? Or you can send both. Just write A में what are the next two terms, B में what are the next two terms. Like Nikki has sent in. Good. Sahi. Neki and Dhruv, correct. Mansi also correct. Puneet, yes, correct.
So, ma'am, for this kind of question, like I did not use any specific formula.
You use, I mean, it's not like that list of formula, but you use the concept of AP. You use the concept that like the next term, like to get the next term, you need to add D to the term.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Anirban, you're back. Good. Okay. Revise okay, sare formula?
Yes.
Okay. ये chapter school में हुआ or is this the first time you're doing after like the last time we did it?
It's done in school.
It's done in school. Acha, ठीक है. That means it is relatively fresh only. Like, how do you find this chapter, Anirban? Like easy, difficult? कैसे?
Medium.
Medium. Okay. All right. Like basics तो आ रहे. So AP का absolute basic you guys know. 3 is slightly more complicated. Let's not touch that right now. 4 is again similar. First term common difference, like yes, up to you guys can do it. Okay. Nth term, now here we look at application of formula. Do question number 12. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12 and so on. Dots इधर है बेटा. So nth term का formula लिया ना. In this particular case, 10 मतलब, so n equal to 10 लेना चाहिए. Looking at 10th term. Puneet has already sent in. Yeah. That was fast. Good. Elena has also got it. Aditya got it. So NCERT ka questions hai. So you guys must have already done this in school or homework or something. Na? But rest of you also do it. Please do it. Good. Neki, Mansi, correct. All right. Who else? Dhruv and Anirban, right? Meet Elena, Aditya. Yeah, Anirban also got it. Good. Dhruv, what's happening? Na time kyun le raha hai? So once you're done with 12, look at question number 16. Same concept, just twisted a little bit. Which term of the AP is 78? So you're given an AP. So all of these are in the series. यहाँ पे कहीं 78 आ रहा है, so you need to count कि कहाँ पे आने वाला है 78. हाँ, Dhruv got it. Good. So everybody do question number 16. Should I put a timer, you guys, questions के लिए? You wanna time yourself, see how quickly you're able to get it? Oh, Nikki and Mansi have sent, लेकिन अलग-अलग answers आए हैं दोनों को. I think Nikki checked the calculation because Puneet and Aditya have sent in. They all got the same as Mansi. Elena also sent.
Ma'am, we have to answer the 16th question, right?
16th के लिए, yeah.
Yeah.
Dhruv also. Right. Let me do the calculation and check. And Irfan also got it. Nikki, check your calculation, huh? I think you did it right. Just last step में the addition subtraction part you mixed up, I think, Nikki.
I don't know. I think it's right. Can
No.
you solve and check?
Huh. So which formula did you use for this?
The first one, AN.
AN. So like क्या आया? Like
So I put AN, which is 78, is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5.
correct. अगर 3 इस तरफ
Which
गया
is
तो
equal-
what will you get?
So 75
हाँ,
divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1.
correct. So what is 75 by 5?
15.
तो अभी n will be equal to?
Okay, plus 1.
The answer will be 16.
Got it.
ठीक है. 16 हो गया. Then do this one, like 17th में do part B. So find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Abhi, you're not given a formula to find number of terms directly. So how will you approach this question? Who will answer? Anirban.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you do this question, number 17?
I think we have to subtract the b minus a.
B minus से subtract करेंगे तो what will you get? And what do you mean by B minus A? Like, are you subtracting this number and this number?
Yes.
Okay. ये दोनों subtract करने पे what will you get here?
13.
No, don't tell me the answer. Like, are you going to get the number of terms? Are you going to get common difference? Like, what are you going to get?
Common difference d.
हाँ, you'll get D. ठीक है. You know A, you know D, but how will you find the number of terms? Like, कौन सा formula use करोगे या फिर are there two formulas that you're going to use? Like, how will you do this question?
Should we use this formula? B is equal to a plus c by 2.
नहीं, that's for only first three terms, no? उससे like you have all three terms, you know the middle term also, तो उससे कुछ होगा नहीं. Very good. Nikki got it. Aditya already solved it. Puneet also solved it. I need to check. Mansi, yes, like you can go ahead, solve it. Okay. Puneet, yeah, you raised your hand. Go ahead. How will you solve this question?
Because if we see it carefully, the last term of the AP, they have already given it to us.
Yeah.
So then we just need to use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D, and AN will be nothing but minus 47 here, and we have to find N substitute.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Anirban, have you understood कि क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we do?
Yes, ma'am. We have got the last term, that is AN is equal to minus 47. Then we have easily put the formula as AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D.
Yes. So the funda is AN is giving you the nth term. So अगर तीन ही terms है, मतलब third term आएगा. So यहाँ पे n terms है and nth term is minus 47. So that's why you like, so indirectly n is going to give you how many terms are there. Because if you count, if there are like 10 terms, then 10th one is 47. If there are like 12 terms, 12th one is 47. Okay, but yeah, you use the formula and find out from this. Okay. 3-4 of you have sent the answer. Everybody like calculate it, send the final answer, and then we'll move on to the next question. Dhruv, you got slightly different answer. Just check your calculation. You're also off by like +1, -1 वैसे so. Nikki, by 2 नहीं आना चाहिए. Check the calculation. Let's do it on the whiteboard.
But ma'am, is the answer in minus?
It can't be because it's number of terms, right?
Exactly, because it's n, right?
Yeah, ma'am, even minus.
Oh. No, बाकी सब को मिला. So, okay, what is A? Like you guys did it in your book, na? Like क्या है ये? Like what is the first term?
18.
15. Okay. D. Subtract करने के बाद क्या मिला?
Is 18, right? Can
A
you
is 18,
go back to the
right?
same? Yeah.
Yeah.
D क्या है फिर? So 18 minus what?
Minus 5/2.
Minus 5/2. Okay. Everybody got the same thing? A and D. So when you're taking D, the series is decreasing. So this minus is also important. So whenever you put it in formulas and all also, you need to include the minus. Anirban, -4, again, negative nahi aa sakta hai. Check. AN was minus 47, right? Let's plug it in the formula. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So minus 47 is 18 plus N pata nahi, minus 1 into minus 5/2. So have you, whatever values you substituted, is it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर calculation देखना पड़ेगा. Anirban, what about you? Have you substituted these values?
Ma'am, I missed the 5/2 minus. That's why I was getting a negative answer.
There you go.
Can you solve it?
अच्छा, calculation देखना पड़ेगा. What about you, Anirban? Have you substituted it correctly? ये सारे values ठीक है?
D was different.
You also took plus 5/2. Okay. Okay. So minus 47, let's take this here, minus 18 is equal to, I'll multiply this, minus 5n by 2, minus into minus, this will become plus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 will be 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 carry over, 65 equal to minus 5n by 2 plus 5 by 2. So you just gotta be careful, because fractions and all are there, na? Minus 5n by 2 equal to minus 65 minus 5 by 2. So dono side minus hai. I'll take minus 1 common, make this
65 will be plus or minus 5 will be.
ऐसा. So 130 plus 5 is 135 by 2.
Ma'am, it should be plus 5 by 2, right?
Here, no, I took this on the other side. So 5n by 2, I've kept it here.
Then how is 5n still minus?
क्योंकि यहाँ पे plus 5 by 2 है ना, तो अगर ये दूसरा side गया तो what will it be?
Okay. Minus.
That's what I said, like take it step by step, be very careful with the plus and minus. वहीं पे get difference. So 5n is 135, which means that n will be equal to 5 2s are 10, 35 is 7, 27 आना चाहिए. Right, Mansi, Neki corrected. Anirban, what happened in your case? कहाँ पे
Still-
different?
Still,
Okay. हाँ, you mentioned अच्छा common difference में अलग आया ना, ठीक है. Solve it. Then we'll do one of this type. Question number 13. Check whether this number is a term in the list, like in this particular AP. So check whether something is a term of the AP or not. How will you check? Like, what is the funda you need to use?
We'll put it in the formula, but the value of n should be a natural number.
Very good, correct. So n matlab it's the number of term you're counting. So n ka value hamesha should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any of the natural numbers only. So agar, if you're getting n as a negative number or like 13 by 2, like a fractional number, it means that it is not there in that AP. वो तो random number है, इसलिए you're getting a random value for n. Okay. So again, you'll use the same formula, an ka formula, but in this case, n should be a natural number. So check, just answer it as yes or no. Is 301 a term of this list? Yes, no. Aditya has already found out. Okay. Yeah, I'll also solve it with you guys. Oh, Dhruv, Elena also got the same thing. Neat also got it. Okay. Very good. Neki also got it. Yes. Mansi and Anirban yet to answer. No. Mansi, check your calculation.
It can't be in decimal.
It can't be decimals now.
So then it's no.
Huh. That's what I literally just discussed. N should be a natural number. Should be a counting number because you literally still like n means in AP like कौन सा term है. So okay. Anirban, where are you at?
Answer is coming decimal.
हाँ, तो फिर not a term. Good. Next. Okay, we'll go to a slightly more complicated kind of questions. Read question number 3. Tell me if you guys can do it or not. Like do question
Yes,
number
ma'am,
3.
we can.
If you're not able to do it or if you're stuck, don't know how to proceed, let me know. Otherwise, solve it and tell me. So again, determine the AP, hai na? So give me like 3 terms and then you can put dot dot dot. Just give me A1, A2, A3. So minimum 3 terms hona chahiye, okay? Okay, that is correct. Nice. Puneet has solved it. Sahi answer aaya. It's the first one to do it. Good. If you're already halfway through, tell me if you got the value of D. Like send the value of D. At least I'll know which stage.
Yes, ma'am, one second.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, Elena, it's correct. Can proceed. Cool. So Elena, Puneet, and Aditya have answered already. Okay. Mansi, yeah, that is like, so first understand the question, okay? Like write down whatever is given. So third term is 16, TK, you've written that down. Next part, 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. Iska matlab kya hai?
It means that the 7th term, like
A7.
minus.
Hmm.
Yeah. is equal to 12. The difference is 12.
difference a7 minus a5 equal to 12 आ गया ये. So again put the formula. A7 का formula क्या है, a5 का formula क्या है, that will be equal to 12. Solve it,
Okay.
you get it. Right. 3 लोग ही किया अभी तक. ध्रुव, नेकी and Anirban. Very good, Anirban. So whenever it says determine the AP, give the final AP. Okay. Okay. Mansi also got it. Dhruv and Neki. क्या हो रहा है? All right. The rest of you, whoever's done with question number 3, do question number 19. So find the 31st term. Okay, A31 find out karna hai. Given that 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, Dhruv is also pretty much done. You got A, you got D, matlab you can build the series. Neki. Neki, are you there or are you disconnected? What's happening?
Oh no, I'm there.
Okay. ये question number 3 क्या हुआ पहला वाला? How much are you done with? Where are you there?
I'm still solving.
Acha. Calculation, like have you figured out how to get it?
No, I'm still calculating.
Okay. Now if it's calculation ठीक है, but if you're stuck at a particular step, D नहीं आ रहा है या फिर A नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब tell me, we'll figure it out.
Can you solve?
Yeah. Rest of you 19 question copy किया ना, because I'll be switching to the whiteboard abhi. Otherwise, write down the given stuff and start solving. So पहले question में, can you tell me what all you've written down as given?
A3 is equal to 16.
हाँ.
A7 is equal to A5 plus 12.
Okay.
And then I framed 3 lines, which were A5 is equal to 16 plus 2D.
That's why you made it
60.
complicated. So once, like this is what is given now. So apply the formula directly. That will help you. So A3 equal to 16 का मतलब A plus.
Yeah, I applied that.
For this case, अच्छा, so A5 you wrote it as A3 plus 2D. A3 का value पता है. Yeah, that way also you should be able to get it. But here also directly you can do it. So A plus 6D equal to A plus 4D plus 12. So A and A get cancelled. So solve this, you get 60 minus 4d equal to 12. So यहाँ से you'll get the value of d.
Okay, so I didn't do directly.
Because like if you put the value of a3, this a will remain as it is. Then you'll have like a and d, two variables. So yeah.
Okay, got it now.
Okay. Question number 19, Puneet is done. Puneet is the only one who's done. Baki log, you guys are still solving. So A31 equal to how much? इसके लिए we need A and D. Formula में रख सकते हैं. You're given A11 equal to 38 and A16 equal to 73. ठीक है. Elena has solved it. Mansi, I have not done it, so I don't know that yet. सारे लोग final answer भेज दिए, so I shall check. I'll verify it for you, Mansi. Mansi, हाँ, D का value is correct. So you can use that and proceed. Sorry. Okay, Aditya got it. Mansi got it. So Puneet, Elena, Aditya, Mansi, 4 people have solved it. Okay. Anirban, yes, correct. Again, this question, अगर calculate कर रहे हो तो ठीक है, but if you have not figured out how to solve it yet, we'll discuss it online. Otherwise, I'll wait for your answer. Who is pending? Dhruv is pending. Neki, you started late, so I'll give you some time. But as a thumb rule, within like a minute, minute and a half, if you're not able to figure out how to solve the question, raise your hand immediately, ask me immediately. So that will be our aim, okay? So you need to get that strategy in the first minute itself. Then you can spend like 2 minutes or something on the calculation and like solving the problem. Okay, Dhruv got it. Okay. 20 and 21 are the same things. Ignore that. So 20, 22, 23, all of these are like the same type of problem. So we'll just skip these. Oh, do 24.
Ma'am, I just sent in the answer.
Say everybody got it. Do question number 24, Abhi. So you're given an AP. Which term will be 132 more than the 54th term? So I'll leave you guys try to understand the question. अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो I'll discuss it. Otherwise, you can start solving. किसको मिल गया how to solve this problem? Good. Puneet, Neki have got it. Elena, Mansi, Dhruv, Aditya, you guys still figuring? Okay, Mansi, Elena.
Ma'am, can you move the cursor? Is it 132 or 32?
132.
Okay.
Dhruv, Aditya, Anirban, between the three of you. Puneet has already found the answer also. Good. It's fast.
I got disconnected.
Oh, question number 24. Read the question. Tell me if you can solve it. If not, I'll discuss it here. Dhruv and Anirban, you guys. Huh?
There are two ways to do this, right?
There will be multiple ways, yeah. I mean, how you use a formula, how you do it, yeah. ठीक है, but Anirban, you're like that's not the final answer. Keep solving. Okay, Puneet and Helena have got it. Anirban, continue solving it. Agar nahi aaya, if you're stuck there, then I'll discuss it here. Aditya is also done. Dhruv is also done. Puneet got it like nicely, very simply. Yeah. Neki got it. Okay, I'm assuming you all copied the question, so I'll just scroll. Whoever done with 24, we'll do one of this type also. Question number 25. Mansi, yes, ठीक है, सही है. So 24 के बाद do 25. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Anirban also got it. Very good. Anirban, you need to work on your speed. Like you're able to do the problems. Try to get there a little faster. Okay. Like that will be your aim right now. Neki, you need to be careful in your calculation, plus minus, transposing, that part. Rest of you are doing fine. Okay, 225.
Ma'am, sent in the answer.
Neki is the first turn this time. Neki and Alina have sent in. Yeah, Nirban, what's up?
One doubt in this question.
हाँ बताओ क्या क्या डाउट है.
Unable to understand.
Okay. So I'll solve it on the board then. Okay. So how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 12? Oh, Mansi got a slightly different answer. Chalo, dekhte hain. Anyway, I'm solving it here.
A is 12.
Huh. We'll go step by step. So between 10 to 250, right? So, and we need specifically multiples of 4. Okay. सबसे पहले first number 10, is this a multiple of 4? Anirban?
Mm,
Yes, no? Like apna, like keep your mic unmuted only.
no, no.
No, right? So 10 से 250 तक सबसे first, what is the first multiple of 4?
12,
12. So 12 के बाद
16.
16. Okay, so वैसे 250 तक. So now check, is 250 a multiple of 4? Mansi got it right now.
No, ma'am.
नहीं. तो 250 से पहले, which is the last multiple of 4?
249.
249
Sorry, ma'am.
multiple of 4 है क्या?
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am. $248.
248. Okay. So we need to find the number of multiples, right? So 12 is the first multiple, 16 is the second. So वैसे which number is 248? So now can you, like, now do you get an idea how to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
कर लो. Who all are done? So Mansi, Elena, Neki. Oh, 3 people are done. Puneet, I was just about to ask. Okay. So Dhruv is also done. So Aditya and Anirban. Anirban को भी मिल गया. Very good. So Aditya, where are you? So Anirban
I'm still solving.
solving. Okay. Rest of you. Oh, we'll do this. Is this type of question? Number 27. Very good. Aditya bhi khatam. Yeah. Do question number 27. So find the 20th term from the last term. So 253 say you need to count 253 as the first, and in the reverse direction, you need to find the 20th term. Okay. Raise your hand if you're not able to solve it. Otherwise, start. Then the answer. I'll also solve parallelly. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in the schedule, you have given only one class for heredity and evolution, heredity chapter. So will that be enough?
Yeah, evolution is not there. Heredity is only there. So I'll check with Dishani ma'am also. That's why 15 Jan, I told you there's a class, but I've not scheduled anything. So in case an extra class is required for any of the chapters, it'll be on 15th.
Ma'am, on
Okay, ma'am,
Saturday,
thank you.
what time will the
So, ma'am,
class be?
8th is final and 15 is not, right?
Yeah. So 15 also mostly, in case extra practice is required, we'll have a practice session. Nahi to, yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
for this question, we'll take 253 as A, right?
correct.
So,
Reverse order.
and-
The last one will become first term. Good.
yeah.
Speaking of, so Puneet, Neki, Elena, and Aditya have sent the correct answer. Anirban, can you tell me what you've taken for A and D? Because I have a suspicion.
Ma'am, A is 253, D is 5.
Will it be 5?
-5.
हाँ तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जा रहे हैं ना. सो 253 के बाद whichever number is before 253 वो second number होगा. तो in order to go to the second term, will you do +5 or -5?
-5.
-5, correct. ठीक है. So forward direction में +5 हो रहा है, but reverse direction में फिर -5 होता रहेगा ना. So when you're taking it from the reverse, D ka value will become minus that number. So Anirban,
I took A as 3 only.
so how did you get 20th from the last? Did you find out 253 kaun sa position mein hai, and then
Yeah, I found out the last number of terms. So I got 51 total terms and then subtracted 20 from.
and then you found. So that is also correct. Logically it's correct, but if you do this ek step mein aa jayega. So you'll do it. It's quicker. So okay. Okay, who is yet? Anirban, you just that the plus jo hai minus kar lo, you'll get the right answer. Pretty much correct only, just that because of that one thing you got the difference. Baki Anirban, okay. Neki has sent. Aditya also sent. Dhruv also sent. Dhruv did not send. Nancy got it. Elena got it. Puneet got it. Okay. Dhruv. Question number 27. कहाँ पे हो? Oh, okay. True also got it. ठीक है. All of these are like direct questions. You guys do it like practice कर सकते हो. Common difference. Oh, look at question number 44. That's slightly different. So two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these is -1 and that of the other is -8. then what is the difference between their fourth terms? It is fairly direct question. It's just multiple steps. Like understanding the question, there shouldn't be any problem. So let's do it. So 44 के बाद do 45 also. So these kind of questions, like, yeah, you're using AP ka concept. Along with that, you're using other algebra concepts also, like linear equations and all. उस पे कोई logic apply करना पड़ेगा. So that those kind of questions. Okay, do 44 and 45. I'll also do them. Check your answer.
Ma'am, I've sent in the answer for 44th.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Elena got it. Neki, I want to clarify one thing. Numerically, you got the correct answer, but did you take difference of first AP minus second AP or second AP minus first?
Second minus first. That's why it is
हाँ,
minus.
इसलिए वो आया. ठीक है. That's fine.
So, like, which should be the correct answer? If I take 1 minus 2, then it will be in positive, right?
Huh. So that's why I said
That is-
numerically it's correct. Usually these kind of questions, if they directly say what is the difference, always take first minus second.
So it should have been positive.
See, if this comes as an MCQ, there's no like, take it as positive only, first minus second. That's not ambiguous, no confusion there. Okay, Puneet has done both. 44 is correct. I'll just quickly check 45 also. Very nice. Puneet and Aditya, both 44, 45, you guys have solved. Absolutely correct. Mansi, Elena, and Neki have done question number 44, which is correct. So Dhruv and Anirban. ध्रुव, अनिर्बान कौन से क्वेश्चन में हो? 44. Okay. Which one? 44 or 45?
44.
ठीक से नहीं, like you're muting immediately. Speak properly, no?
44.
44. Okay. Through 45 का answer correct है. Are you doing 44 now or did you not get 44? क्या हुआ? Okay, Nikki is also done.
Ma'am, I've sent in for
Yeah.
44.
Sahi hai. Dhruv, no. Is that a typo or is that the answer you got? Check 44th ka answer. If you're not able to find any calculation error, I'll do it on the board here. हाँ ठीक है. Got it.
Ma'am, can you just tell what's the answer of 47?
47. I also don't know. Mathematician पूछ रहे. Mostly it's either Pythagoras or Euclid, either A or B. Check. Let me Google that. Oh, it's neither of both. It is Gauss. I think I was a mathematician.
Yeah, because Pythagoras was only right angle triangle. Newton was related to physics. I eliminated like that. And then Euclid was again related to lemma and all. So I thought
That's true, but like when it comes to scientists, right? Like Newton is related to physics, Newton's laws and all, but he's also the one who invented calculus, which is a branch of mathematics. Similarly, Euclid wrote like a whole mathematics. He was the first person to write mathematics ka textbooks. So he's associated with geometry and he's also associated with fundamental arithmetic theorem. So if a person is associated with one thing, it doesn't mean that that's the only thing they've worked on. We're in the field for 20, 30 years now. They must have done multiple things. Similarly, I'm surprised to see Gauss is the answer for this, but I heard of Gauss first in physics. So grade 12 mein aayega related to
Rain gauge.
was that Puneet?
No, ma'am, nothing.
So Gauss, like there's something called Gauss law, which is there in grade 12 electricity. Okay. But yeah. Anirban also finished 44, 45 dono mil gaye. Very good. 45 सबने आंसर किया. So Neki sent, Dhruv sent, Aditya sent, Puneet sent. So Elena, Mansi.
Ma'am, I'm just solving the 45th question.
Okay. Are you getting it or are you like stuck somewhere going in circles?
Ma'am, I actually didn't get it first, but I'm trying a different method right now. So.
Okay. Who else? Whose name did I call out? Mansi. Mansi, you sent 44. 45 में क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah, I'm doing it like I wrote the equation and I'm doing it.
Okay. So if you're stuck somewhere, let me know. And we'll discuss it here. Okay. Otherwise, let's. All these are like exactly like the problems you guys have already done. So. Mansi got it. Alina also got it. Good. Reached there finally. Oh, this is interesting. This will similar to this thing. Okay. Let's do like 57 and 58. So pehle 57 kar lo. Which term of the AP is the first negative term? So if you see the AP, it's decreasing 53, 48, 43 goes on. At some point, it's gonna cross 0. So which term is the first negative term? -2? That answer does not make sense. Are you saying -2 is the first negative term, Puneet?
Yeah.
Okay.
This I do not apply any formula. Like I just did it mentally. Like 53 and 48 and 43. So it is like 5, 5, 5. So after some time, it will come to 3, and then -5, it will come -2.
Nice. That's good logic. So once you figured out the first negative term, you can find the n that you get. But in case in case it is not very easy, what is another way you can find out which is the first negative term? Like if it is not as simple as 5 being common difference, if the common difference was 7 or something, फिर कैसे find out करोगे?
The formula is there. A plus n minus 1 d,
हाँ.
and we'll do it instead of equal to sign, we will do it less than sign to 0.
Huh. So you can also equate it to 0, and you will not get a natural number if 0 is not the part of the AP, but at least it'll give
Yeah.
you an idea of which term it is. Like if you get 24.5, then you know that 0 is a term which is coming after 24th term, which means 0 ke baad the next negative term is going to be the 25th term. So you can kind of figure it out that way. But yeah, so one, figure out which negative, like which term is the negative term, and once you get the first negative term, you can find out the value of n. Or no, like you don't even have to find out what is an. Directly equate it to 0 and you'll get a particular value.
Or even -1, we can equate it to -1.
Huh. So even if it is not a part of the AP, you'll get something like 37.3. So you know that 37 ke baad aa raha hai negative term. So you know that 38th term is the first negative term. So that's how you can figure it out. Okay. So do question number 57 abhi. Tell me the final answer. कौन सा term आ रहा है first negative term, and then we'll do 58. Like, don't worry about it. Like, we're still doing level 1. So eventually when we complete the chapter, we're going to do all types of questions. Okay. Oh, Elina's already found out. Okay. I have not solved it. So let me verify. Puneet also got it. Good. Aditya, we just did a whole discussion about it. Where were you? So the question is asking which term is the first negative term, not the negative term itself. Which term, matlab n ka value find out karna hai wahan pe. Is it the 10th term? Is it like the 11th term? That way. Neki, yes. So Elina, Puneet, and Neki have got it. Dhruv also got it. Aditya, Hanafi, you got it. Right. So Mansi, Anirban, yeah. Rest of you all sent it. So you guys look at question number 58. 57 खत्म होने के बाद 58. How many numbers lie between 10 and 300? Which when divided by 4 leave a remainder 3? अभी तक like the previous question you did was a direct multiple of 4 itself, but यहाँ पे it's a different condition. So after dividing by 4 it needs to leave a remainder 3. Mansi got it. So Anirban, 57 Aya, like are you solving it or are you stuck somewhere?
I'm done only sending the answer.
Sending? Okay. Got it. Very good. Excellent. 57 सबको आ गया. So 58 कर लो अभी. Thirty-four, 30.
Ma'am, I've sent in the answer for 58.
Just saw. Oh, Puneet, Neki, Elena. Okay, all of you have gotten the same answer. ठीक है. That's correct. Aditya also got it. Yes. So we'll focus on nth term this class. Like we'll do a couple of level 2, level 3 also. And next class we'll focus completely on sum of numbers problems. Dhruv also got it 58. Okay. Nice, you guys got it. Okay, so you guys are able to figure out like A कौन सा आना चाहिए, D like the next D क्या होगा? Yes, got it. Wait a minute. Common difference in question number 58. 3 कैसे हुआ? How are you guys getting that?
Common difference is 4.
Common difference should be 4, shouldn't be?
Yeah, my mistake. It's 4.
Okay, that's a typo. ठीक है. I was wondering like सबको answer कैसे मिला? Cool. Everybody is pretty much done, I think. Dhruv, Mansi, Anirban, Neki has sent. Okay. Puneet has sent. Okay. Aditya also sent. Elena also sent. ठीक है. एक question के बाद, I think rest of it is all going to be pretty much the same thing only. See, write the first term, show the sequence, 6th term from the end. So all of these you guys have done. Oh, this is interesting. Look at question number 67. Find the 15th term of the AP. Like, question is direct.
I
but-
can't see 67.
Oh. Huh. Abhi? I'll scroll up.
Yeah, now it came.
Okay. So 15 term is pretty direct. You guys have done it, but the AP given is not like a regular AP. But the method and all will still be the same. All you need to figure out is what is A and what is D. A, so anyway, take it as y minus 7. Once you get what is D, you'll be able to get A15. So just give me the answer of, no, give me A15 only directly. Thoda algebra calculation also will be practiced.
Ma'am, I was disconnected for a movement. Which question are we doing?
67.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you muted.
Yeah, Elena, so I was saying y minus, if you look at the pattern, y minus 7 becoming y minus 2 becoming y plus 3. So you're getting into y plus territory. So तुम्हारा answer y minus नहीं हो सकता है. It needs to be y plus something.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just check the calculation.
So send what you got as A, what you written as A and D. अगर वो सही है तो then check the calculation.
Ma'am, I've sent in my answer.
Okay. Yeah, I saw Elena के बाद Mansi, Neki, Aditya. Yeah, you guys, 3 of you have gotten it. So yeah. Puneet, yes, you got D correctly. So figure out. Anirban, same thing as Elena. You need to get y plus something because look at the pattern here. Y minus 7, y minus 2 से y plus 3 हो गया. So next one will be y plus. वो कम नहीं हो सकता है ना. So Anirban, you also tell me what you took as the common difference. Dhruv, that is correct. Elena,
Common
you
difference is
common difference you took, you got it wrong इसलिए. So just do A2 minus
It's
A1.
5.
No? Y minus 2 minus of y minus 7. So common difference should be positive.
Yeah, ma'am,
y.
I just realized I took it the other way around.
You did y minus 2 minus y minus 7. Yeah. Sorry, minus 7 minus of minus 2. Whatever. Common difference should be plus 5. Anirban, you also checked. I think you also did the same thing. So check. Puneet, AD and A15, you got it. So far, Dhruv, Aditya, Neki, and Mansi have answered. Elena, I think you once you correct it, you'll get it. Anirban, you also. And that's it, huh? Everybody's done then. Cool. So A will be y minus 7, D is equal to 5. So A15 will be, you should get y plus 63 ideally. It's the answer you should get. So correct it. Whoever's done with 67, sahi answer milne ke baad 268. This is also kind of, it's like proper algebra. So it looks a little complicated, but go step by step, you'll be fine. Find the 7th term of the sequence whose nth term, like an is given. So you need to find the 7th term, A7 kya hai? Anirban also got it. Good. So everybody do question number 68. If the exponent is hard to see, let me know. I'll zoom in. Otherwise, start solving. Mansi, you said yeah. So like, is that too?
Yeah, ma'am, you zoom in.
Okay. There you go. Question number 68. Elena has got it correct. So this is actually not an AP, it's not arithmetic progression. It is a random sequence that is by this. Elena is the only one who got it. The rest of you, okay, Puneet got it. It's not very complicated at all.
Ma'am, which question?
68. So 3 people have done. Aditya, okay. That was quick. It's a very direct question. You're given an, you have to find A7. So an में से A7 find out करना है. Just put n equal to 7 मिल जाएगा. So once you're done with the 68 question, we'll go to level 2 K view. Mansi, yes, absolutely. That's it. Substitute. So an is given, A7 find out करना है. So substitute 7 in place of n. I'll get your answer. There you go, Mansi got it. Anirban, check the multiplication. Very, correct. So typo हो गया. Okay. 68 के बाद sum will do it next class. So सीधा level 2 में look at question number 9. 8 tak very repetitive, what all you guys have done earlier, similar problems only. So do question number 9. So if k minus 1, k plus 3 and 3k minus 1, so you're given 3 terms, they are in AP, then find the value of k. There are multiple
I
ways.
think the screen is frozen.
Oh, sorry. Now we should be able to see question number 9. So Puneet, these kind of situations, you can use that formula directly where b equal to a plus c by 2. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it, same funda, like mathematically you'll be doing the same thing, but you can use logic also. C minus b is equal to b minus a. Like difference between b, c is equal to difference between a and b. Consecutive terms. So
Ma'am, you're muted.
sorry. If it is given that, okay, these 3 terms are in AP, you can assume that they are consecutive terms. Otherwise, it will be specified that they are, third, sixth, seventh, or they are random terms. It will be specified. If it is not, you can assume that they're in consecutive thing only. Oh,
No, miss, my answer is wrong.
yeah, that's what I was saying. Like all of you got very different answers. Okay, Aditya and Anirban got the same answer. Elena, you got it slightly off. I don't know if that's a typo or that is the answer you got. Let me solve it. Verify kya hai.
Ma'am, I actually made a calculation error. I'll just correct it.
Okay. Mansi got it like way off. और यहाँ पे D, like K find out करने के बाद, did you find D, Mansi?
Ma'am, just ignore the first answer. It's like,
Okay. Puneet Hana, if you got same as Aditya and Anirban, that's probably the right answer.
so your D, is my D right or is it wrong?
You don't get to find D in this case at all. But yeah, I mean, technically, if I look at it, k plus 3 minus k minus 1, your D is correct. But okay, continue. Yeah, D is correct. Okay, Nikki and Elena got it. Puneet and Elena, you guys have corrected your answers. So yeah. So Elena is done. Mansi, yeah. D should be 4, not -4. Puneet is done. Dhruv has not sent the answer yet, right? Aditya sent it. Nikki sent it. Anirban sent it. Okay. So Dhruv, let me know. Mansi completed. You literally have to just use this. Difference between third and second is same as difference between second and first. Just that's it. That's all there is to the problem. Solve it. You'll directly get it. Dhruv also finished it. Okay. So whoever's done with 9th, do question number 12. Each year, a tree grows 5 centimeters less than it did the preceding year. If it grew by 1 meter in the first year, then in how many years will it have ceased growing? Okay, 9th, sabko mil gaya. So do question number 12.
So what do you mean by ceased growing?
Ceased ka matlab stopped. So when, like, after how many years will it stop growing? That's what this question is asking. So you must have heard social may cease fire. So ceasefire is basically stop firing. So that's why it's like end of the war. Ceasefire means. So cease ka matlab hai stop. So I'll give you guys to figure it out, do it. If you're not able to proceed, I'll do it on the whiteboard. Otherwise, let me know. Also do it here. Mansi got it. Very good. It's like 70% of the work done. So all you need to do is like final ceased growing matlab what you need to do. Oh, Aditya and Elena have solved it already. Good.
Miss ceased growing, does it mean like 0 centimeter?
There you go. So it stopped growing matlab it rate of growth is 0, like, or grow nahi kiya, like it didn't grow anymore. Mansi and Neki got it. Puneet, check the calculation. Beech mein +1 -1 kahin pe to you forgot. So Elena has done. Mansi has done. Puneet, you need to check your answer. Dhruv is also yet to send. Aditya is done. Neki is done. Anirban is done. Okay. Awesome. Puneet, what did you get A and D ka value as in this?
Miss A is 100 and D is -5.
So stop growing matlab 0 centimeter grow hua uska.
A n is 0. Is it 19?
So check.
Oh,
Check your calculation. ठीक करो उसको. Then So all these are similar to what you guys did earlier. See, some though we're not looking at that right now. Two APs have same common difference. Is there a question bhi kar liya pehle? Do question number 21. First negative term also we've done it. So 21 kar lo. Write the next 3 terms given by this AP. So you need to identify what is D from this information. Then you can just keep adding D and write the next. Like give me at least like 2 terms, that will be sufficient. There you go. Mansi got one, the common difference. That is correct. That's all you need to figure out in this question. Figure out what is common difference. So agle terms mil jayenge. Aditya, yes. Ha, Puneet, you put it exactly in this format jaise diya, but yeah, basically got it. Dhruv, A is not equal to 1. A is A plus B. First term is A plus B. What is D is what you need to figure out. Huh, there you go. Neki, yeah, that's like a simplified way to put it. So you can think of this term as A plus 1. So A plus B plus 2. Next one will be A plus B plus. Oh, Mansi put it like in the same format that they've given over here. Elena also did it like that. But yeah, you guys figured it out. Good. Who else is remaining? Elena has done it. Mansi has done it. Puneet has done it. Dhruv, you figured out D. Give me the other terms. Mil jayega. Aditya also. Neki has figured it out. Anirban, I haven't heard from you. Kya ho raha hai? Dhruv, A kidhar gaya? Because in every single thing there is A. So this is A plus B. Idhar B you have A plus 1 plus B. So the A cannot just randomly disappear off, no? A plus 1 plus B plus 1. यहाँ पे A is a variable, so we like you can't assume A ka value to be 1 or something like that. Anirban, you just sent 1. What is that supposed to mean? Is that common difference D or is that the next?
Common difference.
हाँ, ठीक है. So next term आने के लिए you just do plus 1 and then like plus 1. Then you can do A plus 2, B plus 1 and A plus 1, A plus 2, B plus 2. वैसे it keeps continuing. You just have to keep doing plus 1 for every term. Dhruv, where did you get confused? Like randomly 4 plus B कैसे आया? Oh, Dhruv got disconnected. Okay. The last question for today. Look at question number 32. Show that the sequence defined by its nth term, 3 plus n by 4, forms an AP. Also find the common difference between them. So you need to prove that if an is given as 3 plus n by 4, like nth term is this, then basically like by substituting n ka value, like whatever values you get, all of them will be in AP.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question number?
32. I've circled, wait, I haven't, yeah, you can see it here. Question number 32. This doesn't make sense. So yeah, show that the sequence defined by nth term. So you're given that an, which is the nth term, is defined by 3 plus n by 4. So basically, if every term follows this pattern, then is that series in AP? So that's what you need to prove. And once you do that, like find the common difference.
Ma'am, can you solve this?
Okay. Nice. Elena has already got it. You guys have noted down the question, right? This expression and all. I'll be switching to the whiteboard. Oh, Elena, Aditya, Neki, let's figure it out. Okay. So you're given that an equal to 3 plus n by 4. So terms in the AP. So A1, first term will be equal to how much, Puneet? What will this be?
Okay, we have to substitute it. Okay, then it will be 1.
So 1. Then A2B, find out kar lena. A3 also you can find out. Another way to do it is, so like find out minimum of 3 terms, show that they all are fitting in that series. What you can also do is, you can rearrange this. I can write this as an is equal to 3 3 by 4 plus n by 4. So that will be equal to all of those common AP with common difference equal to 1 by 4. Yes, because at every step it is increasing by n by 4. So yeah. So another way is like you can basically bring this in the format of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So I can write this as a plus n d minus d. So if I want to write this in the format of n minus 1 into d, just manipulate it. So n by 4, 1, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into n, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into n minus 1 plus 1. And yeah, just do some algebra. You'll get it in this format. And then you can directly find out a and the value of d. वैसे भी कर सकते हो. 2 ways of doing it, but yeah, that's another type of question that you can get where you'll be given, like today we're dealing with an. Similarly, you'll be given expressions for Sn also, and then asked to figure out what is the AP and other stuff.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Okay. Cool. So you guys are having holidays only, no, now?
Yes, ma'am.